Oh look, it's TV legend.
Not me.
Todd Carty.
Hello, how are you today?
Ladies and gentlemen, we've saved the best till last.
Todd Carty!
Here he is, TC, he's our man.
Hello Todd, welcome to Spam Cam.
Thank you.
Now, we've saved you really till last because you are got to be one of the audience's favourite, if not the company's favourite. And so tell us, what brought you to Spamalot?
What brought me to Spamalot? A call came from my agent to say, would I like to go along and meet the people because they're doing a brand new tour of Spamalot, and they said, would you like to come along and talk about the role of Patsy? And they said, you also get to sing Always Look on the Bright Side of Life, which I think has been played at more funerals than any other song.
It's quite a well-known little ditty, that, isn't it?
It's a well-known little ditty, so after I'd bitten off the producer's hands and spat them out again, I went on the road and here I am.
Because it was a return to the stage for you, wasn't it, really?
It was a return to the stage.
Because you've done a few pantomimes, but it was quite a long, because when was your first, was it at the New London Theatre?
I did a musical at the New London Theatre called Lionel, which was playing...
Was it about Lionel Blair?
No, Lionel Bart.
Oh, okay.
Lionel Bart. Could have been Lionel Blair, I think it was there on the opening night.
Cutting edge question now for you. TV or theatre? Discuss. What's your favourite?
Well, I've been on the road for a year now with this. I think it's the immediacy of the theatre. If you get a gag right, or the public, or the audience rather, laugh at the right time, and everyone goes home happy. And I think for me, it is quite tiring being away from my kids. But as soon as that overture strikes up, everyone we used to spring into action. But
now we sort of limp really into action. Maybe even crawling, depending if there's been a company do the night before.
And it depends on the theatre. It depends how much liquor we've had the night before.
Yeah. Now this is 2 hours a night, this show. Yeah. I mean, that's quite short really compared to some of the long days you spent on TV. I mean, what's the average day filming, you know?
Average day filming on any of the soaps or any of the dramas are generally 12 hours a day, 6 days a week.
Okay. And that's quick, kind of like, you know, script one day for the next day, shoot.
You'll do 12, maybe 15 scenes a day sometimes.
Yeah. Do you still keep in touch with a lot of the people you work with?
Well, a lot of the people I work with live in North London, where I live, so we all meet each other in Tesco's or Marks and Spencer's. It's a bit like Stella Street.
Yeah, and what's your hopes and dreams for the future? What do you think you'd like to maybe tackle next after this?
I don't know. I wouldn't mind going back to doing a bit of directing. I directed my first film last year called The Perfect Burger.
Oh, we saw that. It was fantastic.
Thank you very much.
He's a very accomplished director. The voice, a disembodied voice is saying behind the camera.
But so I love doing that. So, you know, first and foremost, I want to have a rest with my two boys who seem to be growing up and getting taller than me each time I see them. So it'd be nice to spend some quality time with James and Thomas, of course. And then we'll see what the world throws at me. And my arms will be open and I'll catch it and run with it no matter what.
Well, I'm sure everyone's arms are always going to be empty. The lovely TC.
Thank you so much, Todd. You're a pleasure.
Very, very much. Thank you.
Ah, that's a bit sickening, that last.